See, total productive maintenance (TPM) concept. TPM aims to maximize overall equipment effectiveness, establish a complete system of productive maintenance of for the machines and equipment entire lifespan is implemented by the various departments. It establishes complete system of productive maintenance for the machine equipment entire lifespan is implemented by the various departments. Engineering, operation, maintenance, quality and administration. TPMs can be considered the medical science of machines. They are doing the study on all machines and try to improve day and day the efficiency of machines. This is the work of maintenance department. TPM involves very single employee from top management to all the operators on the shop floor. TPM raises and implements productive maintenance based on the autonomous small group activity. And TPM is a maintenance program which involves a newly defined concept for maintaining plant and equipment. So this is a maintenance program which involves a newly defined concept. Day-to-day new concept at a point there defined concept for maintaining plant and equipment. पयलींच्या एक भशेन मेळटा आतां न्यू एडवान्स मेंटेनन्स टेक्नॉलॉजी येयला त्या भशेन चेक करता टेकोमीटर बेरिंग साउंड चेक करपाचें यू चेक द टेम्परेचर विदाउट टचिंग टू द फर्नेस एंड बाकी कितें पळय विदाउट प्रोब डायरेक्ट लेजर मारलो यू कॅन नोट डावन द टेम्परेचर सो एडवान्स कितें टेक्नॉलॉजी आहा ती घेवन तेजें मेंटेनन्स करपाचें इज ऑल रिसर्च इज गोइंग ऑन दिस TPM. The goal of TPM is to an extent increase production while at the same time increasing employee morale and job satisfaction. This is also very important because if you're doing job every day and you don't have moral satisfaction, then it's less. So, yes, our TPM maintain kila, it will overall improve the morale of employee. काम करते हैं moral increase. Then TPM brings maintenance into focus as a necessary and virtually important part of the business. It is no longer regarded as soon as no profit activity. Downtime of the maintenance is scheduled as a part of manufacturing day. In some case, as an internal part of the production process. Downtime means what? Suppose there is a breakdown and there is a 6 hours breakdown of the machine. That will be noted as a downtime. Okay, that will remain in the all log and schedule. That day, the 6-hour machine was a breakdown. If there is a power failure, anything can happen. Whatever the time from the 24 hours, 3 hours, 4 hours, if the machine is not running, is under maintenance, that is going to be not done. That is come under downtime. But it's a loss for the company inside. The goal of the TPM is to stop the emergency and unscheduled maintenance from different teams to reduce the defect and self-maintenance. These are the various use of this type of system, that is total productive maintenance. What are the advantages? Advantages is what? Avoid wastage in quickly changing the economic environment. Overall, they are trying to reduce the wastage. Time, material, manpower. But there is a time study also, where this machine is getting extra time. Delay transportation, time. That overall is taking the avoid the wastage in the quickly changing economic environment. Economic time waste of there is loss in the money. That has to be studied in this department. And produce goods without reducing the product quality. This is a challenging. They are producing the goods without reducing the product quality. Means there is no sacrifice of quality. But Viraj, just keep it. No one may sacrifice in quality. There is no sacrifice in quality. It produces the goods without reducing the product quality. If they want a surface finish of so microns, they have to give. Time they cannot negotiate with the quality. Sacrifice corrupt not because there will be the rejection afterwards. Payment. See, reduce the maintenance cost. This is the most important. They are reducing the maintenance cost. Produce a low batch quantity at the earliest possible time. Produce what? Low batch quantity at the earliest possible time. Ensure the non-defective goods to the customer. This is very important. In this type of system, that is total productive management, if you go what they are ensuring that non-defective goods to the customer means defected goods is not delivered to the customer. In this case, suppose deliver there will be a rework. Customer will send back to the company. Then you have to rework again. You have to require manpower. You have to again machine require full process require. But cost of the product will get same. Extra working hours, extra time, extra material, it's a loss. So if you follow this system, there is a there is a ensure that no defective goods going to the customers. Reduce the customer complaint. Non-defective item के अंदर customer complaint will be reduced, no? Otherwise, the customer complaint handle the thing to burden. Now, for example, your mobile phone. Mobile phone. If the manufacturer Samsung company is supply a defective product, what will happen? Customer will send back again. Then under warranty, they will rework everything. So waste of money. And suppose they have sent a quality product to you after checking this all formulated. There is no complaint from the customers. So here, this system gives total productive maintenance. The Samsung phone company, if they follow this, they follow the type. They will follow this total productive maintenance. And किती लागतात soldering machine आणि किती PCB machine किती आपण they are giving some 100% good quality. किती आला त्यांना reject करतात. They manufacture the good quality mobile and send to the market. Once they receive the good quality mobile, customer satisfied, the income will go like this. If rejected piece like battery export what will happen? Spoil of name and they are all whatever they have do the production they want to recycle. But new export loss. This is the way. Now reduce the expense. If you maintain your machine properly, accurate and everything, all machine guards and maintain the system, there will be no accident. Accident if there is an accident in your company, again there will be a loss for the company. Therefore, accident medical insurance in the family my problem it's a my record out there is an accident happened in so and so industry. It will remain the record. Then favorable change in the attitude of operators. Operator be happy as them. Who are going to work on the operator, no? If there is no breakdown in the machine, they are also happy. Machine doing production smoothly. They have to only observe, they have to load the material, get it the done product, send to the next. They have to check only dimension, whatever the thing, based on which type of machine. So these are the overall advantages of this type of TPM systems. Now overall equipment effectiveness. So first in this TPM means we should know what is the full form of TPM, total productive maintenance, total productive maintenance. What are the concepts that you can note down? There you find in your book also. Then advantages and overall equipment effectiveness. Now what are the overall equipment effectiveness? Equipment means your ordinary people also can example lathe machine also, drilling machine also, any equipment. Overall equipment efficiency. Overall equipment that is in the short form you can write the OEE, overall equipment effectiveness, is a concept utilized in a lean manufacturing implementation. Lean manufacturing implementation. OAE is described subject a little bit management type. Try to understand, okay? But this theory is nowadays within the all industry, all these things. So OAE is described as one such performance measure tool, performance measurement tool that measures the different types of production losses and indicates the area of the process development. This is where this. Please try to understand this sentence. See, overall equipment effectiveness is described as such a performance. Performance means how we are doing. As cricket, Virat Kohli every day in the match. So ये performance somebody the people were note down. आज कितने run काढा कितने ball. Same way in the machine also there is a such performance measurement tools are there. Means they are measuring how many times the machine will break down, how many times take the operator for the loading purpose. All things is measuring. मेजर करता है कितने टाइम वेस्ट झालो किती झालं मशीन बेल्ट पडलो किती पडलो so this type of study is going on so measurement tools that measures the different types of production losses means if there is a breakdown light गेलो motor बंद कर motor trip झालो okay electric problem झालं switch जळो so that is type of production losses and indicates the area of process development इसी मग किती लावून घेतो if there is a problem, there is a short circuit and damage of the MCB, motor getting tripped, motor heats at so this conductor there is a machine burn. There is loss of production. Indicate the area of process of the now you have to give the development means how you can improve this type of problem. Whether you are going to replace with new MCB or you are going to replace with new motor, you are providing new bed or you are bringing in setup. That has to be this studies that is the overall effectiveness. Next, OEE concept normally measure the effectiveness of a machine center or process. Should normally measure the effectiveness of the machine center or the process line. Means there are a packing machine of what is the process line. If there is a Colgate, this is this type of example nobody will. In the Colgate program paste, toothpaste, Colgate manufacturing company, after filling that tube with a paste, okay, it is come to the packing section. Once the packing section packing and all tube will come, there is a cartonator machine. Cartonator that the tube होता but the पट्टा का seal होता then it going past the second step. Then that weight of that toothpaste packet is also checked. If it is above the weight, that will get rejected. If it is less the weight, it will go in again rejected. If the exact amount of weight, it will pass to the next. Means this is a full line. Means some calculator का paste करो, it will send to the next. Then there will manufacturing date, expiry date. That will go to print on that same. Then their weight will be checked. Then it will go to the next. I mean, there are some people are that they are just observing it. Suppose it's overweight, that factor by pattern, then it will put in the rejected section. Then they will put if it's everything okay, then it will be the cheaper. Means one big box will be there. They are putting like all this. So this process going for the packing one Colgate from that tube to the box and seal up that is called line process. Understood? No? So in that line process, the printer is not there. Means the manufacture date and expiry date there is a printer as well. That is the sudden problem. Ink is not spraying. That print is not coming. That is a break. You have to repair it and get it back. Then full line will stop. But that so this is the example of line manufacturing. Line process में कितना sample I am given this. So normally the OA normally measure the effect of the machine center or the process line, but can be utilized in a non-manufacturing operation also. This type of system you can apply it in the non-manufacturing operation also. Non-manufacturing operation also means, for example, bank servicing sectors, banks, hospitals, other industries. There also you can manufacturing, but there is industry as per the rule. Again, that rule will remain sometime off the customer will solve it. There is a quality problem. So this type of overall effectiveness you can apply in the non-manufacturing sector also. Can be utilized in the non-manufacturing operation also. The high level formula for the lean manufacturing, that is OEE, is equal to, you can measure it also, availability into productivity into quality. Means whatever the resources available here, whatever the main machine tools. Now the industry you should focus on the machine, manpower. Clear? That availability multiply to productivity means what is the input upon output किती दिलं इनपुट गेले आउटपुट and quality. How the quality? If you multiply it, you will get a OA, means overall effective equipment effectiveness. You can measure it also. Availability. The availability is a part of the above caution measures that percentage of now what is the availability? I don't know manpower machinery, but they have explained here also what is the availability. Availability is a part of the above caution, above equation measures that percentage of a time the machines say whatever I said it's not wrong also. What is the availability? The percentage of time the machine, कितने time machine चल रहे हैं upon equipment of operation was running compared to the available time. कितने time machine available है, कितने machine थे operator they use के. That is the availability. That is the percentage of time the machine upon equipment of operation. A turning machine, turning operation about कितने time है. That is running compared to the available time. For example, if the machine was available to run 20 hours but was only run to for 15, then availability is a 75%, that is 15 upon 20. You can measure it, no? So this is available. So example, if the machine was available to run the 20 hours, we saw some lift machine but you run this machine for only how many hours? 15 hours. So total availability in the percentage, so 15 upon 20, 75% is available. That is your availability. That you have to calculate. Then productivity. See, the few hours when the machine did not run would be setup time, the breakdown or other downtimes. 5 hour maybe machine we are not able to run it. It may be some breakdown or you are not getting the raw material. Anything can be happened. So 5 hour burn. The 4 hours the company did not plan to run the machine is rarely used in the calculation. So तुमने production manager already डिजाइन 4 hours चलो अपना एक वर्ष maintenance कम में 4 hour machine बंद है मशीन डिजाइन असतं म्हणते नाही only 15 hours run थे. So this is the given that. Now what is the performance? How you can calculate your performance? The performance, the part of equation with this. The performance, the part of equation measures the running speed of operation compared to its maximum capability, often called rated as PPE. The performance part of equation measures the running speed of operation compared to its maximum capability, often called rated speed. Means गाड़ी suppose 150 kilometers run करपाची capacity असता and you are running at 120 100 kilometers. So whatever the capacity असलं किती ते utilize केली, that is your performance. Right? See, the perform the part of equation measure the running speed of the operation compared to the maximum capability, often called a rated speed. For example, if the machine produce, say now performance as an example, if the machine produce 80 pieces per hour while running, but the capability of machine is 100. एक machine 80 piece करता, anything piece can any product produce the 80 pieces per hour, but its actual maximum capacity is how much? 100 pieces per hour. Then the performance is 80%. It perform 80%, 100% also. Now Viraj performance is what? Viraj, take an example of Viraj. Actual capacity of doing work of the Viraj is what? 120 numbers per hour. It's a product. Actually, this product capacity. Now Viraj performing only, he is doing only 50 number of pieces per hour. So that is performance skill level. Can anyone tell me? Can divide and tell. How you are going to calculate the performance Viraj? Viraj इतनी capacity आहे त्याच्यानंतर तिचा इथलं 120 मगा बारीक नट करून डिपॉझिट कॅपॅसिटी आहे. But only he is doing only 50. So what is his performance? How much? 100% performance डालते 2.4 no. 41.66 is that. How, Ashwar, how are you going to calculate that performance? Today, now I am explaining you in your language. Okay. Ashford have a capacity to dish a plate of 150 per hour. Okay. Ashford has actual capacity किती आहे? Plate डोबाजो 150 per hour. Per hour means 1 hour. But he is washing that dish, washing the plate. Just don't feel bad. Huh? See here. He's washing that plate only 70 per hour. What is his performance? Can you calculate now? आप calculate करो मक्सा. 150 प्लेट धोपा तो कॅपॅसिटी आहे. पण तो ओनली 70 भरता. 70 प्लेट तो वॉश करता. What is his performance? Yeah, 70. 46.66. Even Viraj also said 46.6 somewhere. 41 means overall he is not utilizing his 100%. And some machines is difficult also 100% utilize, but there should be a performance 80%, 70%, 90%. It has to perform. Suppose he is performing below, means below 50% perform better. Is anyone keeping for him? The machine total no. Our intention was we need to utilize 100%. It's our goal, but due to some difficulties, actual factor there will be some difficulties, there is some failure, but we have to utilize at least 80% to 90%. That performance have to. Pardon? So this is the way the industry is calculating the performance.